What it do? Man, y'all know who it is. This Tony with Stick With Us Delivery Service. I just want to come at y'all with a new video, a lot of new information, you know. And y'all know me, I'm going to get right to it. It ain't no time for no intros and all that. So, if you want to know how to make $2,000 to $5,000 a week in this cargo van business, I'm about to drop some jewels on y'all that's going to help a lot of y'all. Now, it's up to you if you want to take notes. You know what I mean? Because I'm out here, this is what I do, I've been doing it. You know what I mean? We well connected over here with Stick With Us. But with that being said, I mentor a lot of people throughout the whole United States. A lot of success stories, a lot of testimonies, and that's why I just love doing this, man. You know, I love being on this road, I love driving. And I always tell people, man, like, if you love driving and you got a hustle in you, a lot of drive, and you're willing to block out any noise and do something that's going to change your life and create generational wealth for you and your family, then ain't nothing like getting you an LLC, an EIN number, a business bank account, a DUNS number, and creating business credit and creating your business. You know, it's nothing like that, man. No more 9 to 5, no more managers or people at work getting on your nerves. You know, now you the boss. You know, now you make the rules. Don't nobody make the rules for you. You know what I'm saying? And that's a game changer. Definitely been in this business, man. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here, man, and just, you know, talk to y'all and just give y'all knowledge and give y'all, you know, I'm sure all you know now, I got a contract with Truck Stop, one of the nation's #1 dealers for cargo vans and box trucks. So if any of you interested in getting a cargo van or a box truck, all you got to do is text cargo van or box truck to 732-598-1566. 732-598-1566. Just text that number, text cargo van or box truck, and they'll plug you in. Someone will get right back to you. If you want to go to their website, it's truckstopnj.com. Truckstopnj.com. And with that being said, man, also, if any of you out there looking for commercial insurance, and you in the Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Texas area, you can hit my boy. His name Devin, and he with delatoroinsurance.com, actually .net, delatoroinsurance.net. Hit him up at 305-773-1024, 305-773-1024. His name is Devin. Just tell him Tony sent you, and he gonna hook you up. Like I always tell y'all, man, the best way to average between $2,000 to $5,000 a week driving your cargo van, if you working in your state or you working in like your region, like say I'm in Florida, so I want to hit Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. I want to hit Alabama, Louisiana, all those little areas like that. Then you can run your bag up, you know what I'm saying? Some of the best areas I think to work is like the Midwest, like, you know, like Chicago, St. Louis, Ohio, all them areas. Also, the East Coast as well, you know, and then we got Texas, Arizona, the West Coast. You can also do those areas. It just depends on how you set your business up. But the money is here. And one thing I tell a lot of people that I mentor is don't get just one dispatching company. You need at least 3 dispatching companies, a minimum of 3. I'm gonna say a minimum of 3. Me, I'd rather have 3 to 5 all day long. If I can have 5, I'm gonna have 5 dispatching companies. I just had my one boy Steven, shout out to you Steven, out of Fort Myers. He just got a load, you know, he made like about $1,700 in 3 days, which wasn't bad. He got a load from Fort Myers, took him to Virginia. When he got to Virginia, he got another load in Virginia. Then on his way coming back home to Fort Myers, he caught a load in North Carolina, going back to Fort Myers. And that's how you run the play. You know what I mean? That's how you run the nationwide play, man. Like, for real, like, the money is here. But the key is having them different dispatches, because say I get a load, like right now I'm doing a delivery. It was from Fort Lauderdale going to Orlando, Florida. So when you get those kind of loads, if you got more than one dispatcher, you can already tell your dispatcher, they're gonna ask you every day what area you at, what zip code. So I already know I got to get that load in Fort Lauderdale. I got to pick that up. Now when I'm headed to Orlando, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm already be talking to dispatchers, different dispatchers. When they ask me where I'm at, I'm gonna just say I'm in Orlando, because I already know I'm on my way to Orlando. So I'm in Orlando. Find me loads coming out of Orlando, or wherever you at. You know what I mean? Find you loads wherever you going at, or wherever you at. Have them different dispatchers find you loads in that area. That way, if you just got one dispatcher, you know they're gonna try to do their best to get you a load. But if you got more than one, imagine you got 3 to 4 to 5 different companies trying to get you a load out of just that one city. You have a higher chance of getting loads. You know what I'm saying? So now I catch me a load in Orlando, going to Savannah, Georgia. That's perfect. Let me get that. I know a lot of times there's a lot of people lowballing with these bids on these loads, which I truly don't understand. Don't make no sense. You're only hurting yourself. But for me, I'm normally trying to work with a company where I can get like 90 cents to $1.50. You know what I mean? Definitely if I'm going long distance. If I'm going short distance, I need at least $1.25, $1.50 up to $2. You know, if I'm going like 100 miles or 100 to 300 miles, I love working at 100 to 300 miles. That's like my go-to. Working 100 to 300 miles, I love doing that. If I got to do more than that, 500, 1,000 miles, your mileage may go down, how much you will make per mileage, but you will make it up in the distance, and then just catching other loads once you get to wherever you're going to. And that's the whole key to this business. Once you get to where you're going to, always let the rest of them dispatchers know, hey, I need a load out of this city. You know what I mean? I'll be there in a day or by in the morning or whatever the case may be. Get them a heads up where you're going to be at, so you can have all of them working on you loads in that area. And then whoever gets you the load, that's the one you go with. Because it ain't like it's forced work. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. So that's the best way to go about, you know, really running up your bag. You know what I'm saying? Like I got one guy, he caught like 2 deliveries and made like $2,500 off 2 deliveries. You know what I'm saying? So it really just, I got another guy out of, he actually live in Arizona, and he did 4,000 in 1 week. You know what I mean? Man made 4,000 in his cargo van in 1 week. He had a trip going to Cali. He caught another trip going to Texas. It just all depends on how you run the plate. And that's what I try to tell y'all all the time, man. Is how you run the plate. Have more than one dispatch. I cannot stress this enough. Whichever app companies are available out there right now, jump on with these app companies. If it's not available in your city or state, use a different city or state. The key is just get on with the company. Once you get on with the company, these apps, you can use the apps anywhere. That's just extra side money that you can work once you get to wherever you're going to. But the key is having multiple dispatching companies. You know, you can find those everywhere on Indeed, on ZipRecruiter, on Craigslist, just anywhere, man. You know what I'm saying? You can find dispatching companies anywhere, man. Like real talk. Like I tell you, I got my Stick With Us Academy. My cargo van course, I have all the dispatching companies in my cargo van course. There's a lot of companies out there like Millhouse. You got redmax.com. It's so many companies out there that you all can use. We all know all the apps. The apps for me are just side money. I don't depend on no apps. That's not my go-to. Every now and then I may do some apps. But when I'm trying to do legit business with my business, with guaranteed money that I know I'm gonna be making, I need to be doing business-to-business operations with my business. 1099 contract, that's what I need. You know, because I need to be making a couple of hundred on every delivery that I do. I'm not trying to make $20 or $30 on one delivery. No, that's not why I'm in this business. That's not why I invested my money. I invested my money for my freedom. So I have to move accordingly. You know, and I know it's like this whole stigma and all this hype that was around all these apps. But a lot of times you can't even get on with some of these apps. So you're in a cargo van, you're in a commercial vehicle. So you got to think way bigger than apps. You know, when you think small, you're going to get small. When you think big, you're going to get big. And that's just how life is. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. So, like, you know, just that friendly reminder, man, y'all jump on with these companies. A lot of times, like the beginning of the year, that slow season, January, February, it starts picking up a lot in March and April. So I tell people when things get slow, get on with a carrier company. Get you a little route just to hold you over. You know, I got a few people I know doing routes, bringing in $1,700 to $2,000 every week. And this just doing local routes. There's so many different companies out there depending on where you at. There's companies like BlueStreak.com. You got Rolo Transportation. It's just a lot of companies. You can get on with like a Staples route. You can get your Office Depot route. You can get your Amazon route. There's so many different little routes you can get. That's why I always tell y'all, always check Craigslist. When you see cargo vans and box trucks in your city, you see them ride around, look at the name of the company. Or if they got a phone number, call that company. Ask them if they doing subcontracting with cargo vans or box trucks. It's that simple. It's really just how you apply yourself. That's the whole key to this business, man. Is how you apply yourself, man. But like I said, man, if y'all need any help, so like the truck stop, if you're looking to buy a cargo van or box truck, I'm gonna leave their website and their phone number in the description below right here. And also, like I told y'all, if you're in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Texas, and you're looking for commercial insurance, I'm gonna hook you up with my boy Devin. I'm gonna put Devin's phone number right below. Y'all can hit him up, let him know Tony referred y'all. Also, you know, I got my Stick With Us Academy. I do mentorship. I do one-on-one consultations. Y'all can just hit me in my DM on any of my platforms. Everything is Stick With Us Delivery. My TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everything, man. Everything is Stick With Us Delivery, man. Y'all can always DM me, ask me questions or whatever the case may be, man. But I will leave everything. So where it say more up under this video, it's going to say more. If you hit more, I'm going to have everybody information that I mentioned in this video going to be in there. All my courses going to be in there for the cargo van. I got the mentorship program. Make sure you use the promo code Mary. If you use the promo code Mary, you're going to get $150 off on my Stick With Us Academy. And also my mentorship program. I got the bundle package where if you get my mentorship, you get my cargo van course for free. So if you get the mentorship, you get the cargo van course for free. And on top of that, I'm going to still give you the $150 off. Use that promo code Mary. M-E-R-R-Y. M-E-R-R-Y. I leave it on the video so y'all can see it. Hey, like I always tell y'all, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. Tell a friend, family member, cousin, brother, sister, whoever. Y'all share my videos, man. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Share my videos, show love. You know, each one teach one, man. Closed mouths don't get fed. I always tell people, man, you can take a horse to the lake, but you can't make them drink it. And that's real talk, man. So let's start sitting on our butts and let's get up and do something. Ain't no more excuses no more. It's time to get it. Until the end, though, I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm gonna finish this route. It's been really nice chopping it up with y'all. I'm gonna start bringing more content on my YouTube channel as well. Till the end, though, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. God bless. Y'all have a good one. Yay.